everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have I suppose it's a limited edition or a special edition of an unboxing for you today. This is the latest in beauty, the Times Beauty Style Awards box. Here we go. So, what was this? Okay, well, latest in beauty, what they did was they've got a selection of products that have won different categories in the Times and Sunday Times Beauty Style Awards. They've released, there was 52 products in total. They released them in 2 drops, 26. This box, you got to choose 6 products and it was £30 with free delivery. So basically each product in this box has cost me £5 to actually buy. This is the box from drop 1. Box 2 is on its way. Yes, I did do another one. As a subscriber, you could do literally 1 box from drop 1 and 1 box from drop 2. So I've took advantage of that. And what I have been able to do is, because you get to choose your products, I went on when they were released and I literally picked the products that I was interested in on each drop. And then what I'd done was, after I'd gone through checkout and all that, then I actually went on to the individual products website to find out the RRPs so that I could give you an actual total of each box, the RRP value. So here we go. This is box 1. As I say, we're going to open it up. It's got an outer cardboard sleeve that obviously shows you that it is to do with the Times and Sunday Times Beauty Style Awards. And then inside we've got a plain black latest in beauty box. Here we go. I'm going to open it up. Obviously, you know, this isn't a mystery box. I've chosen these products, so I know what's in there. Here we go. And we've got some leaflets. I'll have a look at those in a moment. We're all bundled up with the tissue and the sticker. Are we ready? Drum roll, please. There we go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I chose. So, I'm going to pick them out one by one and go through them. Oh, sorry, I was just looking at these leaflets. Now then, one of them is about the latest in beauty box. It's actually got a code on here where you can get your first beauty enthusiast box, which is a 6 product box. Normally costs you £15. You can actually get it for half price using this code. I'm going to hold it up to the camera, see if it'll focus for you, but I will also put this half price offer code down in the description box as well. So if you're not already subscribed to Latest in Beauty and you fancy giving it a go, you can get your first box for £7.50. Okay, on to the goodies. Alrighty, now then, so the first one that I've picked up is this. It's a perfume and it's by the company Floral Street. This is their electric rhubarb fragrance and it's a 10ml bottle, spray bottle I hope, and you can actually buy this in this size and it's £24. Okay, here we go. Now, I've never smelled this. I have seen these. They have been on the Feel Unique Pick and Mix sample service. All different fragrances have been on there for quite a while. And I have been wanting to try them, actually. So when I saw this was in, I thought, And this is actually an eau de parfum as well. It's not an eau de toilette, it's an eau de parfum. Beautiful looking bottle. There we go. And let's give it a spritz and see what we think. Oh, that's really nice. That is really nice. It's fresh, it's fruity. Oh, yeah, there's lilies in there. I can smell lily, and I think I can smell gardenia or something coming through as well. Yeah, there is like a bubblegummy sort of middle note in there. Bit bubblegummy. I don't quite know what that is. But that is really nice. It's quite light. It's not too heavy and sickly. So I think this would make a great everyday perfume. Great sprayer on it as well. Did you see all that mist come out? That was brilliant. And that is one good size bottle, isn't it? Look at that. Stunning artwork on it. I love it. Okay, so that's product number 1. Like I say, worth £24. And number 2. Okay, this is, now then, I was intrigued by this one. This is from Revlon, and it is the Kiss Cloud Buttered Lip Colour. There we go. Blotted lip colour even. Oh, for goodness sake. And this is in the shade Whipped Hazelnut. And this retails at £5.99. This is a full-size product. And I'm just going to I was going to say I'm going to undo it, not drop it on the floor and potentially break it. It's a good job it's a plastic bottle and not a glass one. That's all I can say. Oh, I've got hair stuck to my eyelashes. There we go. So let's have a look at this. All right, so ooh, that's quite stiff. Ooh, that's an odd shaped toe foot. There we go. It's like flat, but it then curves in or dips in. Very strange. Let's have a look at the colour. I'm expecting it to be quite a nudie colour. Yeah, it is. Very, very soft and nudie. So it's quite sheer as well. But it looks like it might be quite buildable. So, yeah. Interesting to try that. Anyway, like I say, that was worth £5.99. And the next product in the box. This is the Givenchy Volume Disturbia Mascara. This is a 4 gram sample size. Well, I say it's a sample size. The full size of this is 8 grams. So this is literally a half size sample. And the full size version is £24, this being half size. So this 4 grams is worth £12. Let's have a look. Obviously it's just in black, which is fine. Stunning red metallic with sort of what do they call this, the diamond cut on the into the packaging. Let's have a look at the wand. Wow, crikey O'Reilly, there we go. And it's got a flat end on it, which is very strange. I've not seen that before. Can you see? It's a completely flat end, no tip on it in any way, shape or form. But it is the plastic bristle rather than a bushy bristle wand, so that's quite interesting. So I'll be excited to try that, give it a go and see how we get on. That's item number 3. Item number 4, this is another full-size product, and it's by the company Beauty Kitchen, and this is, when I find it, it's the Abyssinian Oil Handbag Beauty Balm. Now apparently this is literally like a multi-purpose beauty balm. You can use it on your nails as like a nail and cuticle balm, you can use it as a lip balm, as a hand balm, anything really. It's 100% natural ingredients. It is cruelty free. Not sure about vegan, but it is definitely cruelty free. What else does it say? You can use it as a cleanser or a mask as well. Just apply it to the face and then wipe it off. Yeah, so let's open it up. Now, again, like I say, this is full size. This is a 30ml jar, and oh, it smells divine. Oh, it reminds me of something, but it smells delicious. This is worth £12.50. There we go. And I'm gonna, oh, it's very, very soft, and you can see the oil in there. I'm gonna pop a little bit onto my arm, and we'll see how we go. This would work well as, I can see how this would work well as a cleanser and also as a nail and cuticle balm. Oh yeah. Oh, you can smell it's got natural ingredients in it. It's a little bit of earthiness. I can smell like some menthol. And also a little bit like tiger balmy stuff in there. Really very, very nice. I love the fact it's in a jar. And it actually says it's for your handbag. So great to carry around with you. In particular, I fancied using it as a cleansing balm, and also for my nails and cuticles, because they do need a bit of help. So, and I'm getting low on my almond oil. So yeah, that's why I chose that one. And the next product, now then. When I tell you the RRP of this, I don't know whether this is correct or not. But anyway, this is from the Jo Malone company. This is Jo Loves, and it's a candle. It's a gardenia candle. There we go. Now this is the votive size, all right. Now when I went on the Jo Loves website, supposedly the candle was £55. But I don't think something this size would be sold for £55. I think that's probably a bigger candle. I would expect this, I would think this potentially would retail at around about the £15 or £20 mark. I don't know. Like I say, I couldn't actually find a price for this size. It does smell delicious though. The next product, the last one. I got in there early. I got up at 6 o'clock, 6:30 on the Sunday that the clocks went forward, so it was really 5:30, so that I knew I could get this box and not miss out on this product. And I didn't. I managed to get it. It's the Huda Beauty Nude Palette in medium. I don't own, or I didn't own, any Huda Beauty eyeshadows. I've got one Huda Beauty lip liner, which is up there, and this retails for £27. So for me to pay £5 for it was an absolute bargain, to be perfectly honest. Now I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you the colours. Yes, they are neutrals, which, you know, if you know anything about me, you'll know that I'm not the biggest neutral fan in the world. However, because this is the medium palette, they are quite dark. So nice packaging. It's got like a crocodile skin effect on the top of the packaging there. And let's open it up. There we go. Lovely size mirror. Wow, that's a really good core, blimey, that's a good size, and it's also very magnifying, that mirror. Really, really good. But here we go. We've got 5 mattes and 4 shimmers. There we go. That's the Huda Beauty Nude Medium palette. There we go. So yeah, they might be neutrally. I think I could do something with that, don't you? Obviously, I will be trying this out, don't you worry. I will film it and it'll be up whenever I can get it up, to be perfectly honest. So there we go. So the entire content of my box, I added it all up to be worth £106 and yeah, £101, sorry, 49 pence. Okay, so I got £100 worth of products in a box that I paid £30 for. And like I say, I chose those based on what I wanted to try, not necessarily on their RRP values. So when I then found the values out, I was very pleasantly surprised and thought I'd actually picked quite well. But let me know in the comments section, what do you think? How do you think, you know, what do you think to what I've chosen? And are there any products? Have you got this box? you know, did you manage to get one? If you have we got anything the same? Have you tried any of the products yet? Let me know all your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do tag videos, lots of different things. So if you know, have enjoyed what you've seen here today, please hit that subscribe button, either the red one down there or the little circular icon with my face in it, which will appear shortly. If you've not quite made your mind up yet, I'll pop a couple of video options up here for you to go and check out. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe and well, keep inside, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.